I'm 25 years old and I wanna retire in the next 5 years.
Is it even possible?
Maybe there is a platform that can help me.
And that's it. Metaverse. In this video, I will show you 5 methods that you can use if you wanna retire in the next 5 years. We will start with the easiest one, and over time we will move to the hard one. Method number 1 is play to earn games. This one is currently the most popular one and the easiest as well. You can basically start right now. It's really simple and all you need is internet connection and a PC.
Say what?
Here is the top 5 play to earn game. Number 1, Step In. How would you like to earn 20, 50 or even 100 euro per day just walking? If you say yes, this game is for you. Step In is the first move to earn NFT game powered by Solana blockchain. With Step In, users may earn tokens by walking, jogging or running outdoors with NFT sneakers. Let's say you wanna start making some money with Step In. What do you have to do? First of all, you have to invest in NFT shoes. NFTs are forum sneakers and are worn by users in Step In. Users must deposit Solana's token in Step In wallet to buy the NFT sneakers. But be aware, before you earn some money, you have to invest in these NFT sneakers as I mentioned before. But I believe it's worth of the time. Next one on our list, number 2, is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is the most important game developed on the blockchain this far. The game focuses on the breeding and collecting the cute creatures named Axies, and then using them to explore the world of Lunatia. These NFTs Axies are meant to fight other Axies in a group of 3 to earn the native token Axie Infinity Shard. This is the governance token that you can exchange in the marketplace for the real cash. Number 3, we have a sandbox. The sandbox has multiple ways to earn. You can be an artist, game maker or landowner to earn the sand, the metaverse cryptocurrency. And an artist can create a useful asset with a platform tool like Vox Edit. Another way to earn money in sandbox is to purchase the land to rent or create experience, like the games. The game maker needs no coding skills to design the games. And number 4, we have a Decentraland, another cryptocurrency that has lately risen and achieved a significant most achievement in the mana coin. Decentraland is the very first word to be completely decentralized. It's a lot like the sandbox game, where you can engage, create, construct, explore, and do much more. All you need to get started with Decentraland is a virtual currency like MetaVerse and your favorite web browser. After that, you may begin explore Decentraland digital environment and engage in events or communicate with others. Number 5, we have a Plant vs Undead. Plant vs Undead is free NFT play to earn crypto game that was launched in June 2021. Plant vs Undead is a multiplayer tower defense game. With a gameplay, you gradually acquire seeds, which can grow into plants that can be sold in the marketplace. The best part is, you don't need to invest anything to start with. Instead, every player starts with some default assets free of cost, modern trees, and non-NFTs plants in this case. Next one on our amazing list, we have a Metaverse stock. Before I start talking about this one, I wanna warn you that this one is the hardest one. It is very risky because 95% of these things will disappear in the next 1 to 2 years. So it's very important that you will do some research before you start investing. So what are Metaverse stocks and how you can invest in them? So first of all, Metaverse stocks are almost same as the normal stocks.
You go on websites like Binance or Coinbase to find your favorite one and then you buy it. Be careful of what stock you pick because most of the stock consists of some NFT coins, tokens, website coins and many others. Few stocks you can mine with your PC or, as I mentioned before, by playing play to earn video games. For the start, I recommend you using Binance or Coinbase.
The funny thing is that owner of the Shiba Inu recently deleted his social media. That shows how Metaverse stocks can be really risky.
According to Google, these are the top 5 Metaverse stocks to buy.
First one, Roblox.
Nvidia, Unity Software, Autodesk and Microsoft.
The next one on our list, we have a real estate in Metaverse. As the companies, major brands, and investors rush to have own slice in Metaverse, virtual estate is experiencing a boom in the next few years.
In early 2021, users could grab a small piece of land in popular games like Sandbox or Decentraland. These land were sent under the $1,000. By end of the year, people were selling these plots on secondary marketplace for over tenfold their initial investment.
Land parcels in Metaverse are NFTs stored on blockchain. These mean that each spot is unique, cannot be duplicated, and it's owned by the one who holds the private key to the wallet.
Just as you would in the real world. Research the Metaverse project, consider plot location and scarcity of the virtual land parcels before you buying them virtual real estate in the Metaverse of your choice.
Here are the 7 ways how you can make money through the metaverse real estate.
Flipping, renting, build a commercial venue, advertising, brokering, real estate management, real estate designing.
If you would like to learn more about these real estate strategies, let me know down in the comments and we can check them together. Method number 5 is create and monetize VR games. If you are a developer who is skilled in game engines like Unity or Unreal, then you have a big chance to earn some money through the metaverse.
A lot of companies trying to make their own copy of the businesses into metaverse world. Brands spend millions and millions to be the first company that can work in the metaverse. Even Mark Zuckerberg invested $10 billion into the metaverse, plus hired over 10,000 people from Europe to work on the project. So there is a definitely market for you and your skill.
If you develop your game, you have 2 options how to monetize it.
The first one is to put it on Steam. You can put it on Oculus Store and sell it for a cash. But you have to be aware the store will take a 30% revenue share, so you end up with $7 if you sell it for $10. And second option is sell it for free and later monetize it with the ads.